Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to grow knockout roses from clippings. Now, it's so easy to take clippings from roses and to start new plants. And basically, when I'm trimming back my roses, I have found a lot of times when you're deadheading or getting some of the older or the wilder branches out, I just cut off some of the flowers that are spent, if you're doing it this time of year. So I found the easiest way to get a cutting to start is when you take the cutting, make sure and cut it at an angle and where it's meeting another leaf line. So you would cut it right at the angle. So if you just put this in a bucket of water or even bring it in-house in a window and put it into a cup of water, it'll eventually grow roots. Now you can also dip that right in honey or peanut butter and put it right into the soil and keep that soil really, really wet. And it'll grow roots right into the soil and grow. It's so easy to get a start from a knockout rose. And if you're at your friend's house or you see one and you want one for yourself, just take a little cutting, bring it home, put it in a little cup of water, and you will have your own knockout rose garden.